Hey family, so I'm here to do a review today and I'm so excited. This is from a company called 2PICKLE'D. The number 2 pickled. So I found her on social media. You know how you just scrolling through.
Motion detected at the front door.
You know how you just scrolling through Facebook, Instagram, and you just see something that's interesting. I was like, oh, I would like to try that. This looks interesting. So I ordered. This is the original package it came in. I don't care if you see the address because it's my P.O. box. I'm opening it for the first time. I got it on yesterday, y'all, and it took the strength of the Almighty Most High to restrain me from opening it because I was so excited to get it, y'all. The first time she sent it, this is the second time she's sending it. So from the back, let me just see. Customer service A1, A+. The first time she sent it, y'all know, dealing with the U.S. postal system, it was damaged. It was like pickle juice leaking everywhere. So I had to contact her and listen. Literally after I sent the message, not even 5 minutes later, she responded. It was on a Friday, and she was like, no problem. I'll send you back out another shipment first thing Monday. There you go. She's a fellow Black-owned business owner as well. Let me put that in there. So this is how it comes packaged with the styrofoam, so it wouldn't be damaged again. And y'all, ooh, I'm excited. It comes in a little Capri Sun like package. Wait a minute. 6 of them is in here. I can't even remember what I bought. That's how it came packaged right here. Let me unravel these and I will come back. And I'm gonna wash my hands because look, I'm gonna get down and dirty and dig in this with my hands. And I done been handling that ball. Okay, you guys, I'm back. So I bought 2 of each flavor. That's why it's 6 of them in here. So I bought 3 different flavors. Here they are. It looks so fun. This one is the Ocean Water Lemonade. And then it comes in slices, y'all. This reminds me of the Kool-Aid pickles. This one is green apple, pineapple. And this one is, ooh, strawberry cheesecake. Which one y'all want me to try first? Oh! I'm gonna try the Ocean. Cause look, I'm ready to be on somebody's beach. Fat rolls and all. And it even, the pouch, y'all, is even resealable. Okay, all right. Let's see what it's giving. Let me smell it first. I got to smell it. Okay, it smells like a pickle. It smells pickle-ish. I'm nervous. I'm nervous, y'all. This is what it look like. A slice of a pickle. Except it got a little bluish, greenish tint to it. Here goes, you guys. Well, like I said, honest review. Honest review. Girl! Listen, I'm doing what I see other people doing. I'm like, girl, now you know it ain't all that. Y'all, I don't know what to tell y'all what it tastes like. I don't know what to tell y'all. It tastes, this is funny because it tastes funny. It tastes like ocean, not salty ocean beach salt water. No, but it tastes like you on a tropical island someplace and you just got something fruity / vinegarish. I don't know. I'm stumped. Okay, I said I was gonna make this quick. Let me go on to green apple pineapple. Green apple, that's tangy, mixed with pineapple, which is supposed to be sweet. Green apple pineapple. Y'all, I like that ocean water. I like it. Ooh. Green apple pineapple smell like a green apple Jolly Rancher. It look almost the same, except it's a little darker green. It smells just like a Jolly Rancher, a green apple Jolly Rancher. All right, let me dip in the juice real good. Okay. Okay. The flavor is stronger. That green apple, I taste a hint of the pineapple, but that green apple, girl. You gotta tell me what you do. What you did to this thing? I ain't lying, y'all. I told y'all I'm gonna be 100% honest. This hitting. This green apple pie. Okay, so far, I like the green apple pineapple first. Then I like the ocean water. Okay, y'all. Now this last one here, which is the strawberry cheesecake. Look, I wasn't expecting this. Girl, you want something, girl? Girl. Okay. Oh. It smells like cheesecake. I ain't ready. This how it looks. It looks red. Sweet. Strawberry. I taste the strawberry and cheesecake. I taste a hint of cheesecake though. But mostly I'm tasting strawberry. I don't know what you did. But listen. This green apple pineapple though is the winner. The green apple pineapple is the winner for today to me. It's a yes for me. It is a yes for me, honey. I just can't. I'm trying to think, because y'all know I'm a foodie, and you know sometimes what I do is I taste food and then I'm trying to figure out, well, what they put in there, I'm trying to figure out the flavors. But I wonder how she did this. Y'all, I'm gonna put her website and her Facebook page in the description. Please, y'all, go and try this. She got other flavors, and I'm gonna order the other flavors too. But I picked 3 good ones. And I promise y'all not gonna be disappointed. If y'all are pickle eaters, even if you're not pickle eaters, this is not an overwhelming pickle taste. I really wanna just drink the juice for this green pineapple one. Maybe I can put it in a cocktail. See, I'm doing too much. But yes, please go visit Mrs. 2PICKLE'D. Social media is going to be in the description. Go and support, please. Also, this tea that I have on, Element M by Martell Morrison. That's my cousin. But he has a clothing line as well, and I will leave his Instagram in the description too. This is very good quality tees. You hear me? I already had this shirt on, I know, about 10 times. Washed it over and over, and it's still like the letter's not peeling. It's good quality. It's not like, no shade to the crickets people, no shade, but it's not like, you know, the type of t-shirts that's made with the cricket whereas it just lasts so many washes and then it's like, okay, the leather start cracking or peeling off. No, this is good quality stuff. His logo is in the name tag. It's true to size. Go and visit. He's also Black owned. So let's go support. I'm still lost for words right now with this with these pickles, honey. Oh, and I didn't listen. It says on here to shake well, sugar settles. So I didn't even shake it. And it things like that. You gotta stop. I will be ordering again. This gets 2 thumbs up for me. Like I said, customer service was A1, quickly responded, gave me a replacement when my first order was damaged. I see no problems here, period. And that's on exclamation. So thank y'all for watching. And if y'all got something else for me to try, review, let a girl know I'm all for it. Anything dealing with food now. Food. Kitchen, cooking, stuff like that. I'm here, okay? Thank y'all again for watching. See y'all later in the next video. Bye.